Yo, we're shit. Yeah. Thanks for watching the Daily Drift. So welcome back, Drifters. Today's another beautiful day. It's been a long time coming. I've been running into all kinds of problems. You guys have been with me throughout this entire journey. And you know, it's not always the way that you want it to go, but it eventually goes. So we've got a couple things left on the list to do. One, exhaust. I gotta make a decision. Am I gonna do just straight pipe resonator, no muffler, or am I gonna put the muffler on? I'm gonna listen, make a decision, because by the time you see this, it's already gonna be done. So I just have to make a choice. I need to finish adjusting the e-brake just because right now it's okay, but I wanna make sure that it's, you know, when I grab it, that it rips. Yesterday, I went to go get this thing done, and the freaking battery died. So I went in the trunk, and I went to go start the thing, and I'm like, oh, battery's dead. I went to go drop it off, went to get it picked back up, and they're like, yeah, it's dead. It's not holding a charge. So I was like, well, damn it. So I had to go buy a new battery. So I did. New battery's in, so let's start this puppy up, hear what it sounds like, and then we'll go and test what it sounds like with the muffler, and I'll make a decision from there. Not sure if this is what they meant when they said straight pipe, but yeah, we'll just see what that sounds like. So any bets on what this thing's gonna sound like? Good, bad? I don't know. Let's find out. All right, so here's straight pipe. Just a resonator, no nothing special. Ooh, that's a wasp. Oh, fuck you, wasp. Here we go. Hope there's not a wasp nest in this bitch. What the hell? Well, that was weird. It just started holding idle all by itself. It's not good. So I don't know why it was doing that. It was literally jumping idle to 3,000 and just holding it. So that's kind of weird. I need to check that out. Compare that sound to this muffler, which is just kind of hanging out. So let's go see what it sounds like. Obviously, it's not the most ideal way to test it, but it'll give us an idea.
Hey, bitch.
Motherfucker, there's a wasp in there. I fucking hate wasps. Wasps fuck me up every time. I hate them so much. Fucked up my side skirt. This motherfucker's still in here. Where you at, bitch? You gonna try to sneak up and sting me? Fuck, I hate these fucking bugs. Alright, I'm gonna do this quick because I'm tired of these bugs. Why in the world is it doing that? Honestly, I prefer the straight pipe, so we're just gonna do that. So this is our old exhaust. It's a MagnaFlow muffler, and I'm sure MagnaFlow sounds great and all that crap, but honestly, I'm not too happy with it. Plus, I hate the bees and heat sound, and it might be bees and heat with a straight pipe, but I think it'll be a little better. What I'm gonna look for is like a resonated tip, so we'll put a tip on it eventually. But for right now, I'm just gonna cut off this muffler. We're gonna weld like a little piece of straight pipe out and then put a hanger on it so that way we can hang it on the body and keep it out of hitting anything.
What's up, bro?
Oh, motherfucker. God damn it. These motherfucking wasps. I'm gonna find my hornet killer. They must have made a nest in here somewhere. That's what I get for leaving the garage door open. Bastards. You hiding up there, you little bastards? Huh? You hiding up there somewhere? No? I don't know, but I absolutely hate these suckers. So, anyway, back to what we were doing. I'm gonna cut off this muffler, get a piece of straight pipe, we'll weld that on there, and then we'll hang this thing up and get the exhaust up. Let's just move on to the exhaust. that now. And we got this. Alright. Okay, so as you can see, there's not a lot of room to work under here. So this is gonna be something else. But we're just gonna give it what we got. Hope for the best. And we'll see what happens. Well, here goes nothing. That's a tack. Uh-oh. I need to check what's up with that because the welder's not feeding properly. But it's tacked up at the very minimum. Alright. Let's try this again. Shall we? I can't see shit. Okay, dude. Look at that. It's not feeding fast enough. I don't know what's going on with that. That's why it's not making that snap, crackle, pop. So I think I found what's wrong. I pulled out our old ICV, and you can see in there it's kind of nasty. But listen, it doesn't really make any noise, right? There's supposed to be a flap in there. Listen to this one. That's what it should sound like. This one, nothing. So this thing's probably the problem right here. So I'm gonna replace it with the good one, and then we'll see if it fixes our idle problem. Minus the loud lifter tick, it's actually running really good. It's idling like normal, so it looks pretty good. So drifters, don't worry. We still have the Miata and we've got a lot of things planned. It's just a little broke. And we definitely haven't forgot about the RX-7. But in the next episode, we're finally driving the Dubya.